Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So how are you,
Yes.
Tanya?
So, yeah, I'm doing good. I watched some reels. You visited Varanasi, Bodh Gaya. So, elaborate your journey, ma'am, please.
Yes, of course. And thanks for giving me this opportunity to repeat my journey and remembering again. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
So I have great experience from there.
Hmm.
I have visited such a place
Hmm.
and emotionally connected place. Earlier, I didn't know about that, but
Hmm.
first has something different.
Hmm. Like you are living in Mumbai and you have visited Bodh Gaya. It is very far from Mumbai. So, how you traveled from Mumbai to Bodh Gaya? By train, by plane, or by your own vehicle?
Yes, I went to my native place. From there, by road, I hired a Innova, and by
Hmm.
road, uh, not Innova. Yes,
Okay. You hired
yeah,
a car. Okay.
yes. And then first we visited uh, Ayodhya ji.
Mm-hmm.
We took a bath in Yamuna River, and then
No, no, Saryu River. There is a Saryu River.
sorry,
It's okay.
yeah,
Yes.
sorry, sorry, River. Yes.
Mm.
And
Mm.
after that, we took a darshana of Rama's temple,
Mm.
and
Then
it
you
was
took Darshan Ramlala. Okay.
yes, Ramlala,
Yes.
and it was
Mm.
fantastic experience there also.
Mm. Mobile
We
phone is allowed in the premises.
no purse, mobile phone, any charger, everything is banded. Was banded there. Yeah, we can't took
Okay.
that. Only empty-handed we can took
Mm.
the darshan. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
after that, we visited to the Varanasi, and
Mm.
in Varanasi, we also again took the bath in Ganga River. Then
In Varanasi, there are so many ghats.
yes, yes,
Mm.
Aswamed Ghat, Asi Ghat, many ghats. So,
Mm.
but time we didn't visited any ghat, any Ganga Aarti we don't enjoy. Only directly we took bath and then we darshana. First we darshana to Bhairav, Kal Bhairav.
Mm.
After
Achha.
that we took darshan of Shiva, which is
Mm.
a very famous Jyotirling in
Mm.
Varanasi.
Mm-hmm.
After that we leave for the Gaya. And first rituals was happened there uh, on Pichasni Ghat. Yes, first time I have visited there.
Okay.
Pichasni
Pisachini Ghat, where it is situated? Pisachini Ghat?
in Varanasi.
Varanasi. Because I am also hearing this Pisachini Ghat first time.
Yes, and I
Okay.
have visited many times, but first time I visited this time. First time I hadn't any experience about that place. Uh, so I asked my husband, so he told me that is the famous for rituals. So we not need to go there, but now we need because we have to do that all rituals there. So
Mm.
first, then first we offer our homage, homage there for our
Okay, your
ancestors,
Pindadam ritual is started from Varanasi.
Varanasi. Yes,
Okay. Okay.
and
Mm.
then we leave for Gaya, left for Gaya,
Mm-hmm.
and the way of Gaya. There was a Falgu Nadi.
Hmm.
So,
Yes.
second thing done, we pray there,
Okay,
which is
second Pindam, you did it at Falgu River.
Falgu River.
Okay.
yeah, which is famous for Ma Sita's and have had offered uh, send pinned for his
Hmm.
father
Okay.
because
Okay.
Ramaji was not there. He was
Hmm.
alone, and
So she
that
did Pindadan. So she
yeah
did Pindadan there.
insisted
Hmm.
her. You give
Hmm.
me whatever you have, otherwise I leave that this place.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
she gave that send pinned, and that I forget that hand, Dasrath's
Hmm.
hand and Sita's pinned when she was offering that. That is a temple there where
Hmm.
for the saris and all the makeup items.
Hmm.
Sitaji. Yes,
Okay, we can offer all the makeup items and sari
yes,
on that temple.
temple. Yes, that is the Sita's temple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And after that, one place that is Ram Ghat, maybe Ram Ghat, something related to
Hmm.
Ram.
Hmm.
Pindan we pray there and offer. And second was um, Vishnupad. Third,
Okay,
fourth,
Vishnupat temple. Hmm.
first, fourth was Vishnupad temple. That
Hmm.
places is very famous for this ritual.
Hmm. And it is said that there is footprints of Lord Vishnu.
Vishnu, yes,
So you did third ritual at that third or fourth, I think.
fourth,
Fourth ritual on that temple. It is called Vishnupad temple.
yes, Vishnupad.
Okay.
And fifth one is Akshay Bhat.
Akshay Vat. Hmm.
This is very, matlab last Pinddan was
It is a
there.
banyan tree. It is a banyan tree.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
banyan tree. And that Sita ji, how can I say that?
It's okay. Sometime it happens.
Sita ji, matlab give Vardhan him, that is Ashirwad of Sita, Akshay Vrat.
Hmm.
But because, there is a story, Sita ji offered the pind, stand pinned to Dasratha. But when Rama returned to river banks, then Sita told, I offered the send Pindadan because you are not here.
Hmm.
So I offered, but Rama was not believed on Sita.
Hmm.
So Sita is told, everyone is here, they can sure. I
Hmm.
offered that. But
Hmm.
then Ganga Falgu Nadi was there and Gomata, Gai cow was there and Tulsi plant, Tulsi Mata was there, Akshay Bhat was there and Crow was there. But they
Hmm.
four were denied. They
Hmm.
told we didn't see. On
Yes.
Bhat was there who admitted that, accepted
Hmm.
that. He told to Rama, no, I am a witness of that. I saw it
Yes.
to my eyes.
After that, Sita Mata had given curse all those four members.
Members,
Cow, yeah, Falguni River. There is a short story.
yes. So that's why
Yes.
Falguni Nadi never, it has never water, full of water, very
Hmm.
water. And everybody has different cause. Yes. And Akshay,
Hmm. Yes.
but he Vardhan uh, rituals say you never going to be die like this.
Hmm. You are immortal.
Yes. So when
Yes.
uh,
So it was your, I think, last ritual, which was completed at that banyan tree, Akshavat.
yes, not yes last and sorry that was the sixth. Fifth was Pretchila.
Hmm.
Pret
Okay. Prechila.
yes
Prechila. Prechila.
fifth yeah. Prethila was
Okay.
a person who anybody met and unnatural,
Unnatural death.
unnatural
Mm.
death, and then for that people pray there, and we call it sattu paratha.
Mm-hmm.
You that sattu they sprinkle there on that. That is a very big stone,
Mm.
and Kali Matas and
Mm. Other
three,
deities are present there.
yes, present there.
Okay. And there
So
are, so many monuments. Have you visited?
when
Like
sorry,
there are Mahabodhi temple.
yes, Mahabodhi temple, that was a very calm and cool place and very beautiful place
Mm. Mm.
where if you want to peace, you
Mm.
must be visited there.
Mm. And what is the story of Sujata temple? Sujata's stoop, I think.
Yes. Sujata temple is when Buddha's got jnana. Means,
Enlightenment. Enlightenment.
yes. After
Mm.
that, she reached nearby Sujata's house, and there is a
Mm.
place. He sits there, and his body got very thin. Only her bones was appeared, started appearing.
Mm.
Muscles
Mm.
was there. So
Mm-hmm.
Sujata made a kheer, and he insisted him, if you don't eat that kheer, how can you survive and how can you spread your message to the world?
Mm.
For this reason, you need to eat something.
Yeah, she offered that kheer to Lord Buddha, and after eating that, he gained enlightenment.
Yes. And not only she offered, she feed with by her hand, her own.
Mm. Oh,
Yes. There is a
yes.
yeah, and that only one stone is there uh, between pond.
Mm-hmm.
Around that
Mm.
stone, only Buddhas was sitting there. Otherwise, everywhere water, full of water.
Mm. And
That,
there is one big statue also. Did you watch?
yes,
It is
yes,
80 feet, I think, its height.
yes. Very, very
Mm.
yes. And all there is a very much discipline. All Buddhists, uh, they take mount. They don't speak a lot. They're very
Mm.
quiet, and they follow all the instructions. Like if their path is, they follow a side path to go into the
Mm-hmm.
temple, and they don't bother anybody.
Hmm. And
That's the
it's a world famous monument,
yes,
Mahabodhi temple. It is
yes,
included in UNESCO also.
yes. There is a
Hmm.
big Havan Kund,
Hmm.
very big. I never saw before visiting there anywhere that type of Havan Kund, very big.
Hmm. So many tourists every year coming there, that place because it's a, I think, world famous pilgrimage center of the Buddha Dharma.
First Buddhism, first temple. That
Hmm.
temple. Otherwise, Buddhas died in the Gorakhpur,
Hmm. I think Kushinagar or
Srinagar
Kushinagar.
temple. Yes,
Yeah. Yes, Kushinagar.
yes,
Yes. So, like you traveled a lot. So, in your way, did you face any difficulty?
yes. One difficulty I faced, but I enjoyed as well. There was
Mhm.
scorching hot, you can say, for
Yes.
to 48 9 degrees hot
Mm.
was there. And my father-in-law follows uh, 6 days for 1 week. He walked. barefoot,
Hmm.
and
It
hair
was
was,
mandatory. It was mandatory that he can't wear any slipper.
yes, for that rituals. Whoever,
Okay, it is. It means it is compulsory if someone is giving pindadan. So, chief person, you can say elder person, he will not wear, slipper.
yes, not elder person, whoever offers the ancestors, they are homos. That only that those person, husband and wife, both they can't wear.
Hmm. Okay. So, by your journey, we are also gaining this knowledge.
Yes, and something is emotional connection there. It was
Mm-hmm.
um, for me, and that was my first experience. I got emotional on Pitasni Ghat in Varanasi, and after that,
Hmm.
yeah, my all members who were there, everyone experienced that. So
They are
once,
feeling cry.
yeah,
Hmm.
I couldn't control my tears, and I asked that question to myself, why I am crying, but I don't have any answer.
Hmm. Because
Of
it is said that when you are doing these kind of ritual, all the ancestors are present that time.
yes, yes, my
Hmm.
Purohit also he said that. That's why,
Your Kul Purohit, also attend the all the rituals. And you took your Kul Purohit at both Gaya also.
yes, all the rituals completed by my Purohit. He was
Okay.
only the person who instruct us, and whatever their mantras, everything he did himself.
Hmm. So it was your unforgettable journey.
Yes, and we enjoyed a lot. We have a lots of chit chat about these rituals, each and every stories. What is the stories behind this tree? Like Chebrat we called, and Falgu Nadi. Then
Hmm.
Sitamadi. We called that place name is Sitamadi.
Sitamari. Okay. Particular name is Sitamari. Okay.
Sitamadi. Yes,
Hmm.
Vishnu Pad. So every when we return to home after rituals, every night we discuss that. What is the ritual? Why we are here? So
Hmm.
I got much more knowledge and I feel connected with these rituals.
Hmm. For getting spirituality, we should visit that place, Bodh Gaya.
Yes. And only by listening is different thing and experience is different thing. When
Hmm.
we experience anything, we feel connected a lot with our soul and
Hmm.
heart. Otherwise, there is only we listen and we forget.
Hmm. Yes. So it was a lovely conversation with you. I hope you also enjoyed this session. And
Yes, of
thank you
course.
giving your precious time.
Same here, same here. And have a great day. Till then, bye
Same
bye.
to you.